Hi Philomena, my name is Huyen. This is my discussion with my manager Sam. Hi Sam, as you are aware, we have had a major issues due to the restructure of the customer service division as a result of customer backlash. It has been identified that there are a number of issues that need addressing to fix the problems. The problems identified a lack of communication throughout organization. The unhappiness between existing team leaders and new recruits, a lack of confidence of team leaders in decision making. They consider themselves do not have appropriate trainings to do their tasks. Value and behavior of the division are inappropriate, with occurring bullying and sexual harassment at work, disrespectful among members. Meeting held has proven ineffective. I have talked to team leaders, some, to get understand of their problems and to ask for their input in fixing the problems. As a result of our discussion, I have spoken to some experts in management field and with external providers of training packages. We have come up with 4 courses that will provide team leaders with the tools which they can take control of the situation and lead the division to become an effective part of Red Telecom. The selected courses are the first one, managing conflict at the workplace. This course will assist team leaders with early identification of the conflict and address it immediately. The second course is successfully equal opportunities, bullying, diversity in the workplace. This course will address the bullying and sexual harassment that occurs at work. It will highlight legal requirements and legal procedure required that can result from these offenses, leading to a secure and a respectful workplace. The third course, effective meeting. The major problem identified was lack of direction and outcome from the meeting, and this course will teach lead team leaders how to plan and structure a meeting effectively. These 3 courses are provided by Victorian Chamber and will be delivered at workplace. They are all one-day courses. All courses will involve role-playing, team interaction, and a written test to identify how understanding through their learning. Last but not least, Certificate 4 of Leadership and Management. It also recommended the team leaders undertake this course. It provided them the comprehensive expertise to become a good leader and manager. The course runs for 6 months, which include half a day lecture times and once per week. We have dedicated the annual training budget to make sure that the team leaders have properly skilled. Miss Code 2008 indicated that formal trainings is instructor training and delivered by qualified trainers with a certification that individuals have completed the course to an appropriate standard. Besides that, informal training is what individuals learn from job by being mentoring or supported by experienced and skilled manager or co-workers. So we implement Friday afternoon tea times for manager to mentor and coaching the team leaders group. There are some obstacles, of course, and the complexity of adult learning is a major issue because adults tend to learn the problem solving rather than pure theories, and they learn intrinsically. Interestingly, Model 70-2010 need to take into account because training is broken up into 3 sections, as you know, Sam. 70% of learning people already know. and understand that. 20% is gained by on-job training or mentoring, and 10% is education. You may have a question how to measure the learning. So as Kirkpatrick highlighted, learning divided into 4 stages: reaction, learning, behaviors, and result. By identifying their knowledge and skills after they finish the course or during they studying the long course, by measures observation and see how their behavior is changing to positive way. For example, they maintaining the clear communication at work, they support the team members. The result is bringing effective meetings, and they know how to solve problems. They can make the timely decision. In conclusion, the organization must ensure that its team leaders must understand the company's goals and vision. The team leaders must have support of the company when making decisions. Through the formal trainings and informal trainings, the team leaders will gain the ability to improve the relationship with their colleagues, building a strong organization culture, and providing opportunity to future development of Red Telecom. Thank you, Sam. You may have some question for me, and I'm happy to receive the feedback from you. Thanks.